What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Trayski Thursday. And before you watch this amazing vlog from last year that I recorded on my trip to Alps. It was actually my second or even first vlog that I ever made, so keep that in mind while watching, because it's not the best quality, I'm not gonna lie, but there are some good shots, some good views. It's from a trip to Heilbronner Hütte, which is a mountain in Austrian Alps. And yeah, I'm gonna try and list you some data on the mountain right here. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I just graduated, so I don't have a lot of time to record new stuff, so I thought I would make a re-upload of this. It's newly edited. I'm gonna go and edit it right now. So yeah, it's some good stuff. It was on my old YouTube channel that's now been deleted. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, let's do less talking and more walking, riding on a bicycle, to be fair. But alright, we're on a day 2. Man, look at this. You can see shit. I woke up early to take some pictures, but you really can't see nothing. It's foggy as fuck. I'm gonna be back. So I'm at the same spot I was talking earlier, and it got pretty bright. The fog went away, so we got this nice view. In a couple minutes we are gonna go and try to reach the top of another mountain. I'm gonna tell you the name of it later, because you know what I'm saying, I don't speak German, so I don't really remember. But we're gonna go on our bikes, and yeah, see you in a second. Yeah, so we're almost there. We came all the way from down there now to here from the crazy zigzag I'm gonna show you on the way back, but now we only go way down and then come back, and yeah, we're almost there at the finish line, so I'm happy about that, because I'm sweaty, but the view is worth it, no doubt. Well, I said he was always there, but it's all the way up there. Oh, it's nice spirit so far. Probably like 200 meters away. Oh, I'm fucking exhausted. Yeah, we're almost there, but the climb up is crazy. The angle is not good. I can't even ride my bike right now. So, yeah, I fucking made it. This is the path we took. It doesn't look that crazy on video, but it got pretty intense in the last couple hundred meters. and it was pretty crazy all the way up there. Yeah, I think it's 2000 and it's Heilbronner Hitte, and it's 2230 meters above the sea level. Look at that. Just look at that. I'm sorry for my speech problems right now because I'm speechless, literally. I don't even have the energy. I'm absolutely drained, but look at this. This is insane. It's Heilbronner Hitte. Here's the hut. And the view is stunning. I came to words because we had a rest, we had a quick lunch, and we're gonna go back down by the same path we took on the way here, but it's gonna be way more enjoyable since it's, you know, downhill. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna switch to GoPro.